Today we're exploring one of the newest AI tools in Google Docs, a feature called Help Me Create, powered by Gemini. If you've ever struggled to create a proposal, a blog post, a project tracker, or even a family newsletter, this tool is going to save you time and give you a clean, ready-to-use document in seconds. Google is testing the new AI features through the Workspace Lab, and one of the most powerful is the ability to generate fully formatted documents using simple prompts. And before we start, this feature is only available for desktop and only for the people who have access to Workspace Labs. Now, to check if you have it, open your Google Docs, go to File, New, then look for Help Me Create. If you see it, you're good to go. Open your Google Docs, go to File, then New, then Help Me Create. A small window will pop up where you can type your prompt. Your prompt can be anything like create a proposal for a web design project, or make a dinner party menu. Write a campaign brief for a TikTok promotion. Generate a vacation itinerary for Dubai. Google gives you suggested prompts and you can hit shuffle for ideas. Now you can attach other documents from your Google Drive. Just type @ symbol and select the file that you want to attach to your document. Now Gemini will use those documents to understand your topic, but it can only extract content, not formatting or style. Click Next and Gemini instantly creates a formatted draft, which may include headers, cover images, styled sections, organized bullet points, sample text. You can edit. Everything is customizable so that you can adjust wording, layouts, and images. At the bottom left of the generated draft, you will see Good Draft or Bad Draft. Tap 1, choose the issue, add comments, and submit. Now this feedback helps Google to improve the AI, and that's how you can use Gemini in Google Docs to instantly create documents from scratch. This tool is still in testing, so features may change, but right now it's already a huge productivity boost. Have you tried Workspace Labs yet? Let me know in the comments, and which document do you wanna generate or create. And that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.